Hi, this is Yuan from Ganister. So today another very basic video about some features for users. Today is about how you can add a document and edit the document in Ganister using gfile sync, which is our utility to manage documents and edit easily documents. So we didn't decide when we talked about document management, we didn't decide to have like an integration with Word or other systems, because we know that more and more we're going to use cloud-based solutions for editing documents. So in the meantime, what we want is that you could easily edit any document from any authoring tool from your computer without having to do all the check-in, check-out stuff. So if you go in Ganister and you look at documents, let's create a new document. So there's no mandatory, in our default install, there's no mandatory property, so I didn't enter. I will just give a name here, like this. Type, let's say marketing presentation, and we'll just edit the same description. And so I started a document here, and I'll just save it and put it in temp. Where's my C? Or in document, right? Okay. And so the first thing I'll do is I'll upload my very first draft. How did I call this? Marketing description. And so what you can see at the top here is gfile sync, which is our utility to allow the computer to open the right authoring tool. So because it's logged in, if it's not logged in, it would be grayed out. So it's either because you didn't connect or you didn't install the utility. This utility is provided to our customers, and even freeloaders, you just have to request it. And so once it's logged in, you have this with colors, and it allows to have this edit button. So when I click here, it communicates with our utility, and it will open the file. And you can see here, it opened the file. So I can add more things. I can just, I don't know, I think we'll add this. Ganister, and the year is 2022. Marketing description of our software. And you can continue. You don't even have to have Ganister open. You can just edit this document, and at some point you just save it. What you need to have is the utility always open so that it tracks any change on this. So it uploads this, and it will update the document. So you can have this thing like closed, and if you go back here, marketing presentation, the size has changed, and if you double click on the document, then you have a representation of your PDF print of your document. And so you can do more. You can edit it again and say, okay, I want to adapt or change what I've edited. So it opens it again, the document. And I guess I had the wrong text color. Hello, this is a presentation about the first graph-based PLM. And we'll add another page, and we'll say, well, let's just add a shape here. and we'll save this. And so you can update it. So this was not updated yet. So it takes the time to upload the latest file and convert it into a PDF. And after you have the update. So very simple. It works on Word, but it works also on any type of file. If you have files that are being used for, I don't know, an AutoCAD file that relies on its own, you can do this, and the button here will open the right software, authoring software, which is defined on your computer. So that's how we believe that we're helping users to easily update documentation. It's by just removing some of the clicks that you would have to do and some of the searches. One thing that we didn't expect when we showed this feature the first few times, some users were like, this is very great because we don't even have to have Ganister open. When you, at the end of the day, you're finishing your document, sometimes your PLM is not there anymore. It's closed. And what they saw is that when they close the document, it saves and upload the document to the Ganister server without having to go on Ganister through the user interface. And that's something that they realized was pretty valuable for them. All right. So if you have any questions, so it works with any type of document. If you have any questions, please let us know. Until the next video, stay tuned, and hopefully we'll get more video of this sort and also configuring document videos. Thank you for following us. See you next time.